Well, hey, in the shop midday, I got Nick Rudder from McKee's 37. How you doing, Nick?
Great, Dennis.
Well, it looks like glass care today. You know, that's not just throw on some cleaner and wipe it off anymore. I mean, there's multi-stages to this. You guys actually sell an entire kit that takes all the guesswork out. That's what this is, yeah?
We sure do. This is aptly named the Total Glass Care Kit because glass is something that all of us struggle with, whether we like to admit it or not. So we've taken the guesswork out of cleaning your glass, taking care of water spots, mineral deposits, anything that hinders your view of the road ahead.
And this is the kit here, which you can hand apply.
Yeah,
But you can
yeah.
also, I see you guys are machine nuts, so you've also got a machine here. So you're going to machine apply this stuff too?
I'm going to machine apply it as well. Now the kit comes with all the hand applicators, and then of course we sell the machines and we sell a machine kit too.
Okay, well, so let's clean up some glass on my T-Bird.
All right, so step one, Dennis, is our Krystal Vision Glass Cleaner.
Okay.
No alcohol, no ammonia. It's a non-ionic surfactant. You can use one of these special waffle weave glass towels.
Oh, waffle weave glass towel.
And you never really appreciate cleaning glass until you use Krystal Vision Glass Cleaner.
And you flip that over.
Flip it over, yep.
Play the flip side.
And these towels are really absorbent, and the waffle design takes care of any contaminants. So that takes care of the topical stuff. Mm-hmm. Now, you might have some road film, there's some water spots. We've all experienced that. The high-performance glass restore attacks that mechanically and chemically. This has chemical cleaners, all-natural citrus, and then glass-safe abrasives. So when a spray-on glass cleaner is not going to take care of, this will take care of that. So the kit includes a hand applicator for it.
Right.
But I like to do everything by machine.
But of course you do.
Because the machine doesn't get tired, but my hand does. So you simply shake it up. And this product smells fantastic, like the rest of our line. Put the cord over my shoulder, that way I don't scratch the beautiful paint on this Thunderbird. You spread the product out. And this is a dual action polisher, so the pad rotates and oscillates.
Okay.
Turn my speed up. And then what you do is you go section by section over the entire windshield. And then once I wipe it off, you'll notice a big difference in the way the glass feels.
Glass isn't as smooth as everybody thinks it is. It takes something like this to get down and get this stuff out.
Yeah, because a spray-on glass cleaner, it's not sufficient enough to deep clean it. So right off the bat, where I polished, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah.
You can feel it. Then once you go down,
I get a drag right here.
It gets really rough. Yeah. So, and then to seal the glass, we're going to apply our glass coating, which besides glass, we make a coating for every part of the vehicle.
And these are the latest grades. These are the ceramic coatings, right?
The ceramic formulas.
So you make it for all sorts of stuff, but this is the one for the glass.
This is the one for the glass, yeah.
Okay.
And the way these work is your glass, if you look at it through a microscope, it's filled with thousands of pits, pores, and valleys.
Yeah.
This fills all that in, and it creates a perfectly smooth, water-fearing surface. Again, the kit has a special applicator.
Yeah.
You spray it on the applicator
just a
pad.
tiny little bit of this stuff.
In the coating world, a 4-ounce bottle is really big. This will do 30 or 40 windshields.
Wow.
So it's a great value, too. You spray it on, and then you simply spread it out. And a lot of people, Dennis, when they hear the word ceramic coating, they get really apprehensive.
Yeah.
Our ceramic coatings are very easy to apply. You can do it in your own garage. There's no fancy certification or training programs, just the instructions on the bottle.
And then how long is that going to hold up?
This will last about a year.
Wow, really?
So, yeah, it'll last a full year. The glass will be much easier to clean. And when you're driving in the rain, water's going to hit it and fly right off. And then if you live in a northern state where you're plagued by snow half the year, snow and ice, it comes right off.
Wow,
it's not going to want to stick either.
Well, man, I think that's fantastic. I can see clearly now. Well, actually, my passenger can see clearly now.
Yeah, you can do the driver's side.
I can do the rest of them. Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about this great glass cleaning kit from McKee's 37, log on to McKee's37.com. So what do you say we do the rest of it?
I'm going to go to lunch.
Okay, fine.